Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do review and demo of Wavevideo. It is a real powerhouse in regards of your video editing and live streaming. So just a quick overview of what kind of features you can expect. You will be able to live stream to different platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook, do your own webinars, record a screen, then you will be able to edit your videos. There is extensive library of different templates for your videos and images. From stock libraries, you will find free stock video, visual effects, and graphic elements. And here are the tools, which usually will come as a standalone application or standalone deal. And here we have those included like online video editing, audio editing, marketing tools like text to video with AI. There is also video hosting and converters available. For example, to get MP4 video from your YouTube video or audio file from your YouTube video or Instagram. So feature-wise, this is an insane powerhouse. So Wavevideo just came back only for Black Friday event, so you will have about 7 days to grab this deal. And regarding features, you have a lot, like unlimited pre-recorded videos, no expirations for your recording, a lot of scenes and transitions, a lot of features for your streaming, and there are just two plans, single and double, where double will give you a bit more features to use. Alright, so let's explore what you can do with this tool. First of all, we can create a blank video in different aspects ratio, but let's actually edit one of my recent videos that I uploaded here. Let's go and edit this one. So now we are checking the video editor part of this tool. You have a timeline for a video. We can resize our video. We have access to stock image library, and not only images, but for videos as well. So if you will go back to edit screen, we can add, let's say, this image, and it will appear in our timeline. We can also change the layout for our video. You will be able to add some text overlays, of course, in different styles, or add some stickers, for example, for your video, or add some watermarks if needed. You can add some GIF images. And one more interesting and powerful feature is that you can generate captions. For this video, I have already generated my captions. And actually, I used captions from this video to help me to generate video description using ChatGPT. You can put your captions over your video in different styles. And moreover, you will be able to download your captions in SRT, VTT, and text formats. And there are more features for video editing. But let's go back and explore other features. You can also create and edit images with Wavevideo. For example, we can explore templates. There is a big library. Let's say we would like to create a thumbnail. So we can use, for example, this template. And like in Canva, you will be able to adjust any elements, change layout, add additional elements if needed, add text in different styles. Okay, now let's move to next feature. You can go and do video recording. First of all, you can do a simple one. Let's try this one. Let's do screen and audio only, but you can capture your camera as well, or screen and camera. You can choose what would you like to share. Let's share a particular Chrome tab. So the recording has started. So you can do, let's say, product demos. Let's stop it. Regarding video recording, you can also use advanced mode. So it will be more like a streamer mode. So you can apply different effects, scene transitions, sound effects to make your screen recording much better. Now let's move to streams and recording. And I think this is the most powerful feature of this tool. Let's start with setup live stream. You can set up your destinations. For example, you can stream to Facebook page, group, or profile. to YouTube, Twitch, to LinkedIn, Instagram, custom destination, or Amazon Live. I have a Twitch channel connected, so let's create live stream and open Studio. Now you can see the Stream Studio, where you can configure different aspects of how your screen will look like. You will be able to share screen or video, upload slides. Again, you will be able to add scenes and transitions, use different sound effects. There are more additional features like teleprompter available for you. And actually, let's quickly test and go live. All right, we are live. We can add starting screen. And here it is. You can see we are live on Twitch. All right, ending the broadcast. Now going back to other features. Here we can see that also we can set up our webinars. As well, we can set up destinations, but let's keep it as webinar only. And create. Open Studio. The settings will be similar to live stream, but for a guest, it should look like a regular webinar. For example, we are entering as a guest, and you will be able to see a live stream in a form of webinar. And if needed, a host can invite someone to co-stream during a live event. Okay, so moving next, just another look at templates library. There are a lot for image templates, for your live streaming needs, for social media, for example, for YouTube Shorts, for different industries and different use cases. For example, there are intro and outro templates. And let's say you would like to edit some YouTube Shorts template. You can just pick one. And then you will be able to adjust anything you need in that particular template. Okay, so just out of curiosity, let's check one last feature that I wanted to show. There are some AI features enabled, like you can create video from a blog post or from a text. Let's actually try AI video from a blog post. Let's use this short post about overview of worthy deals which were present on early Black Friday access. Pasting link here. Let's use free assets, inspiring mood, medium text, and go next. Let it be vertical and use this template. Let's go. All right, that was quick. So let's play the video. Yep, we are getting some stock footage about discounts, about Black Friday. So yeah, in general, could be a great start for your short. Actually, there was music, so you can also add music here. And of course, you will be able to edit different elements for your video. Well, actually, nice start. All right, moving to a conclusion. Well, Wavevideo combines a lot of very powerful tools. I believe they started as a live streaming and then they expanded their functionality. Again, they're really powerful at live streaming element, and right inside their platform, you will be able to edit your videos as well. For example, you will be able to create captions and repurpose your long form video into short form content. There are a lot of features for your live streaming. You can co-host events or just record screen if needed. And one feature that I didn't show actually that you can see right now on the screen, you can host your videos on Wavevideo and make those available to the public. So there is one more feature, a video hosting. So if you think this tool can be useful for you, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.